How to change execution policy to run scripts on PowerShell. So if you want to change your execution policy to run scripts on PowerShell, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your PowerShell. So go with Windows PowerShell, run it as an admin, and you will get this kind of interface. Right. So here what you need to do is just simply enter a command, which is get execution policy. And once you hit the enter, you need to go with the next command, which is get execution policy space dash list, and then hit the enter, and it will give you the list of all of the execution policies. And you need to select which policy that you would like to select. So you need to go with the next command, which is set execution policy space. Now enter the command and then hit the enter. And once you've done with this command, then you need to go with the last command, which is set execution policy space restricted, and then hit the enter. And after that, once you've completed your steps, you can execute the script again, and it should now run successfully on your Windows 11. And if you no longer want to allow the scripts to run on your computer, you can run the optional command. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.